All right, when it comes down to content creating, guys, this camera is a beast. Not only is it a beast, it has a great function, but it has its flaws. Battery wise, doesn't last long. So I end up getting this battery, and it's an extended battery, and it works perfect for this kind of devices. Now, not only does it give you a display of how much battery you have in LCD, but it clips on. Now, the only thing is that it's only a battery. You cannot do data transfer, chargeable type C. That's about it. And it has also the threads in the bottom, so you can actually put it on your any kind of docks that you have, or any tripods that you need. This is perfect for on the go. I go to a lot of conventions. In fact, I just took this to the Comic-Con in San Diego, and I didn't have to recharge anything. This lasts me the entire Comic-Con convention. And like I said, if they both fit on your pocket, you can separate them if you want, but if you have a backpack or simple pockets, you could either one. I mean, these are small little devices. They're about the same size as the actual device itself. This lasts me for like 3 hours, and then another hour and a half. This is more than enough. So, and if you ever need to charge it, like I said, type C, but you cannot do data transfer, only battery wise. So if you guys are looking for an extended battery, something simple for your Pocket 3, DJI Pocket 3, this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. All right, when I'm creating content, I always bring an extra battery with me because we're always filming. And normally when I'm cooking shows, it runs out of batteries on the first try. And as you can see, I had 30%. Now I still have 100% on the other one, and it's working very well. So very convenient to have this extra battery whenever you're filming your own content. So this is part of our cooking show, and I cannot live without this battery. So if you're doing content just like I am, you're going to require this battery. So if you guys are going conventions, long walks and conventions, places to go, cooking shows like we are, this is a must battery. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful. And I hope you hit the like and subscribe.